Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a stereo speakers. So in order to determine that, first let's pick up this device and see where the speakers are. So there's a speaker on top right here. There should be another one right here where the phone call speaker on the bottom right here. And that's basically it. Now let's play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers and determine if it's a stereo speaker, because if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. So I can confirm that this device has a stereo speaker, as the sound was coming from both of the speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.